Hi, my name is Stephanie and I am visiting all the parks in Virginia Beach. And the park for today is Stumpy Lake Natural Area. And here's a map of it. And we're gonna go ahead and take a walk around the trails. It looks like there's two walking trails. Loop 1 is over here and loop 2 is over here. And it looks like one's a mile and one's 0.65 miles. So we're gonna go ahead and enjoy the trails through the woods. As you come in, it shows you which way to go for the loops. And we're back in the woods. This is a soft trail. Gotta be careful, watch out for the stumps, well not stumps, but the roots from the trees. Okay, out in the middle of this looks like a foundation to an old house, but the house is no longer here and there are trees growing up in the middle, and evidently it's been gone a while because that's a pretty big tree. That's interesting. Huh. Okay, here's a bench, and right here at the bench it shows that loop 2 goes this way. So, and then it gives you a little bit more information over here, how to get to the parking lot and which way to go. So we are going to go around this way to hit loop 2 here. And there's Freckle, he's our companion today. Say hi, Freckle. Hi, Freckle. And there are trail markers also, so you don't get lost out here. But you can pretty much see which way to go because it's worn, and it's a pretty wide trail. What do you think, Freckle? There's a snake out there. Ooh, there he goes.
I want to go on the gummy bear.
What do you think of that, Freckle? Well, we just saw something I really don't like to see, and that is a snake. Ooh. But he was going away from the trail, so
This is his home.
This is his home. You're right, Samantha. But I just don't like seeing them. I just stay away from them. I'm trying not to bother them at all. Okay, we have gone through the park, and we just decided to do one loop. We did loop 2. And now we're going to come over this bridge that goes back to the parking area, which is a nice little parking area, but on a day like today when lots of people want to be at the park, there's not enough parking. You have to park down in the golf course parking lot. And of course, there's a doggy pot here. So make sure you grab one if you didn't bring it with you. Now we're going to walk over and see what's at the lake. You do have a bike rack here, so if you rode your bike you could park it right there and lock it up. And this park also has this place where you can slide your kayaks in or out of the water. That's pretty cool. People are enjoying the lake today. Kayaking and fishing and boating. We're gonna watch this guy go right up there. Cool. That is pretty cool. That really does help make it easier. And there is a small picnic shelter over here and another picnic table. And right over here next to the park is Stumpy Lake Golf Course. So you can enjoy the golf course if you want to. And of course the park had lots of neat stuff. Okay, that was my video of Stumpy Lake Natural Area. So we went in there, we went around the trails, They have lots of stumps and lots of roots, so make sure you're careful while you're walking through there. Also, I saw 2 snakes. I almost stepped on one, made me jump high. And let's see, what else? They have a boat place where you can put out your kayak, and they also, probably your canoe also, and they have the lake that you can go on and enjoy in your boat. You can go fishing. And let's see, they had 1 shelter with picnic table and another picnic table. And I think that's about it. So we enjoyed ourselves, and if you want a nice long trail to walk on, that's a great place. So make sure you get out, have some fun, and keep smiling. See you next time. Bye.